In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to see your card number on your Apple Wallet and whether or not it is possible to do this. First, I'm going to teach you how to see the card information for your Apple Card. All you have to do is open up the Apple Wallet app and click on your Apple Card. You will be able to see all the information when you select Info, usually located at the menu when you click the three dots at the top right corner of the Apple Card. By clicking on those three dots, you will be able to access the Card Information tab, and you might have to authenticate with your Face or Touch ID or your passcode. Once you authenticate it properly, you will be able to see all the information of that card, including the name, the phone number, the expiration date, security code, and network. You also might be wondering if there is any way to see the full card information for other cards registered on your wallet. What you will notice is if you tap on any other card and you go to the same info page, the only information available to you is the four last digits of the card number. There is no workaround to this, and sadly, you will not be able to see the full card number for other cards. You will only be able to see the full card information if you have an Apple Card attributed to your wallet. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that you can only see the full card information if you own an Apple Card attributed to your name. You will not be able to see the full card information for any other card registered on your Apple Wallet. If this video cleared up any questions you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.